Why is everybody running around and exercising over here? What's the point of burning all this food if you're going to be eating anyway?
You get up in the morning, take deep breaths, go for a walk, your lungs expand, your stomach feels ready to take on food because you've had exercise. Basically means you can eat more breakfast.
If you're food mad like us, then you're driven by the deep craving for that one specific food. And today, we're craving breakfast.
You stay here, I'm just going to have breakfast, I'll be back. Talk to them. As many of us search through life, stumbling across one meal to another, bridging that infinite gap with whatever we can find, remember, there is always time to smell the roses, like this boy. No reaction. I think more drastic measures are called for, and you should wake up and smell the coffee. No reaction still. It's time to get a reaction out of him. Breakfast. Idli. Better breakfast. Even better breakfast.
Dosa.
Best breakfast.
Dosa, Vidyarthi Bhavan, Bangalore.
Say what?
Vidyarthi Bhavan.
Vidyarthi Bhavan. Vidyarthi Bhavan. It's one of the best places in Bangalore.
To have a breakfast.
I love masala dosa and Vidyarthi Bhavan.
They are unbeatable at dosa.
It is time to bring the ultimate in front. Wake up and smell. Vidyarthi Bhavan dosa. Would you like one of these? No, you stay here. I'm just going to have breakfast. I'll be back. Talk to them.
Gopal Mora. Raki Mayor.
At any point of time when it's full, there would be anything ranging from 20 to 60 people waiting outside.
It's been one of my best
Place to have a breakfast.
The dosas are very crispy and very tasty. It's really yummy.
Nowhere in Bangalore this kind of masala dosa is available. ನನಗೆ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ ಭವನ್ ಮಸಾಲ ದೋಸೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಬಹಳ ಇಷ್ಟ.
The food at Vidyarthi Bhavan is out of the world. In fact, it is so good that it reminds you of a galaxy far, far away. With one rose, I look elegant. With two roses, I look like Princess Leia.
There is a medical explanation for this. When you sleep for 8 hours, your body has digested all the glucose you have in your system. And then you wake up with a craving for food, for sugar, for energy. And if it takes too long between when you wake up and when you get that craving, this results.
Sir, one of everything. He'll tell you what all. 1, 2, 3, go.
Masala dosa, plain dosa, vada, idli, khara baat, kesari baat, puri sagu, tea, coffee, hot water available, Friday holiday.
For him, Friday holiday, for me, everything else.
Why do they call you Princess Leia?
Because every time I sit in a restaurant, I'm like, oh, Leia! Leia! So now I'm known as Princess Leia.
Masala dosa,
Leia!
puri sagu,
Leia!
kesari baat,
Leia! You see how it works? Anytime the waiter comes to you and says something, just say Leia.
idli vada, Leia.
Ah, thank you, sir.
Oh,
Sir, thank you.
Thank you.
Lovely, lovely. Vidyarthi Bhavan, which has been operating since 1943 and been putting out this hugely popular breakfast. Limited items, but really, really good.
The wonderful thing about having a craving for a South Indian breakfast with the chutneys, with the idli, with the vada, with the dosa, is that this is one of those foods that you can find anywhere in India and probably anywhere in the world.
What a reassuring thought. I'm so happy.
And what's there not to crave? Hot, fresh as fresh can be. It's made like 3 minutes before it comes here. Wonderful spices, that sambar. the most well-balanced breakfast you can think of.
Brother, oh thank you sir, thank you. Thank you. And this is the true magic of the Vidyarthi Bhavan Masala Dosa about to be unveiled in front of your eyes. Get ready and look, behold. And why is this so special? You need to come a lot closer to take a look at what's going to happen now. I will kill you.
You said to come closer.
You will die.
You said to come closer.
Here's the incredible thing about this dosa. Now watch carefully. You see this? Looks just like an ordinary crust, but once you squeeze it, oh my God, all that ghee comes out, and that's what makes this unique.
The ghee and butter different. I like it. It's very crispy and very oily and delicious. I like it. Very tasty. I like it. I like it.
Rocky and Mayur loved it. They hogged on it.
It's served along with the masala or the potatoes inside, a little dollop of butter and some sambar. And what are you supposed to do with the butter? Put it at the edge of your dosa, and now you can tuck into it as you eat. Oh, I'm so happy. I know exactly how this is going to taste and I'm looking forward to it. I'm just cherishing the moment. Anytime now. Are you ready, Mayur? You already eaten?
This is not the usual dosa that many of you dosa lovers would be used to, which is like really big and really thin and really crisp. This is a full meal in itself. This is the perfect democratic breakfast. Everybody can eat it, everybody can enjoy it, everybody will love it, and it's all vegetarian.
जनाब जो उर्दू का अखबार होता है उसे यहाँ से शुरू करके यहाँ पढ़ा जाता है और पन्ने इस तरह मोड़े जाते हैं, समझे आप?
When's breakfast?
चलिए नाश्ता तो अभी खाएंगे, जरा बिस्मिल्लाह करते हैं और कुछ निहारी बिहारी खाते हैं। आइए हम आपको ले जाते हैं।
Because I could kill a goat.
आज सुबह मेरा जो है नाश्ते में जो है नहरी रोटी की तलब थी। मौसम जरा अच्छा हो या दिल के अंदर थोड़ी सी उमंग हो तो फौरन नहरी की तरफ दिल मांगता है। नाश्ते में ज़्यादा अच्छी लगती है। एक दफ़ा ये सुबह सुबह नहर मुँह आप इसे खाएंगे तो दिमाग और फ्रेश हो जाएगा आपका। आज ही सबराती की दुकान मशहूर है यहाँ पे।
1957 की ये दुकान है और लोग यहाँ बहुत दूर दूर से आते हैं। जो भी फिल्म एक्टर वगैरह दिल्ली में आते हैं तो ये नहारी ज़रूर खा के जाते हैं।
बेहतरीन नहारी यहीं मिलेगी आपको और कहीं नहीं मिलेगी।
12 मसालों की नहारी बहुत शानदार, जो खाता है बार बार आता है।
सुबह नहारी, शाम नहारी, रोशन तेरा नाम नहारी।
गुड मॉर्निंग साहब, एक निहारी जरा और साथ में रोटी प्लीज। The nihari is an old beast in the streets of old Delhi. Story has it that it's been around since the time of Babur, but what they do know for a fact is that Shukriya. There used to be a neher here or a stream here which infected people's eyes, gave them a cough and a cold, and to counter that, this magnificent dish was born, and it has remained unchanged since then. Shukriya. And what is this magnificent dish? It is known as nihari. And we have a local expert. You're lucky.
Traditionally, nihari is a morning dish, had as early in the morning as possible. But like the concept of an all-day breakfast, this has also evolved, and now it's become so popular that you can actually go to places in the evening also and find nihari. So there are many places here on the lanes of Old Delhi, down the road from the Jama Masjid, where you can go morning or evening and have some nihari.
And here's how nihari is made. Big pieces of meat are taken, as you can see over there. It is then served in 3 parts. Wow, so delicious. My mouth is watering. Over here is the rasa, and over there is the rogan, and there's the rogan. And what the rogan is pure ghee, the fat that comes off it, and it's hugely spiced. A lot of things are added to it, and then it's served with green chilies and ginger sprinkled on top like so. A thing of beauty.
In the good old days when the kings used to get large amounts of construction done and they were employing a large part of the population, early in the morning they used to give this really high calorie, nutritious meal so that people would work really hard through the day.
The flavor is very, very spicy, going with the palate of Delhi. And in fact, it's so popular that it's one of those cravings that I get very, very frequently when I wake up in the morning. Sab. सुबह उठ के डबल रोटी और फ्रूट या निहारी.
Nahari.
Thank you. Good answer. As you can see, many people agree with us.
So basically after Rocky's finished with the Nahari, he's going to work. He's going to carry me around the lanes of Old Delhi. Are you going to take me somewhere for vegetarian breakfast?
Okay, I will. But let me satisfy this deep craving for meat and spice early in the morning.
Please.
साहब थोड़ा सा ले लूं. खाना है.
हो गया जी पक्का.
जी बात.
ओके लवली. अब वेजिटेरियन पॉपुलेशन का ब्रेकफास्ट.
जब ब्रेकफास्ट करते हैं तो ब्रेकफास्ट हैवी होना चाहिए.
सुबह सुबह तो पूरी आलू खाना पसंद है बहुत ज़्यादा.
अपनी पुरानी दिल्ली के हिसाब से देखा जाए तो सबसे बढ़िया जो मुझे यहाँ का लगता है सुबह सुबह छोले पूरी.
इट्स अ स्पेशलिटी ऑफ पुरानी दिल्ली. टुडे आई हैव अ वेरी बिग पैकेट फॉर मी एंड माय फैमिली. आई एम गोइंग टू एंजॉय माय ब्रेकफास्ट.
And this is the breakfast the vegetarian is going to eat. We're at the Bittu Sweet Shop in Behram Khan in a little alley in Daryaganj. And this guy is famous for this. The awesome, super healthy breakfast of puris, chanas and halwa.
बिट्टू भैया के छोले पूरी और इनका हलवा बहुत टेस्टी होता है.
2,200 calories, all you need for a hectic, hard-working man in one day is available at one shot.
And that's good value for money.
If you're a food man, you're a calorie hunter, and that's what you're coming here to get. It's excellent. Let's have some.
The early bird, if it's vegetarian, may not be able to eat the nahari, but it can definitely come here and tuck into some deep fried snacks. Sir, please sharing.
Cravings don't know calories. Cravings don't know healthy. Cravings don't know anything. They just know that you should snatch your friend's plate and eat.
Sir, 4 plate और मिलेगी. If you have a craving when you wake up in the morning for something sweet, for something deep fried, for something really spicy, then this is a great breakfast for you. Look at the texture on that baby.
ब्रेकफास्ट के मामले में आप कभी भी ओल्ड दिल्ली में आइए, आपको एक अच्छी क्वालिटी का फूड मिलेगा, जैसे कि बिट्टू शॉप.
Now this is a hearty breakfast that Delhi's been eating for very, very long. And here's what they've done. The aloo puri has transformed into the aloo chole, and the puri has gone into the bhatura. And that is a halfway between cholas and aloo puri. And it's very, very good. And how do you know you're in Delhi? A generous helping of onions and green chilies, all the while being threatened to run over by red cars. I love it. Nothing like living on the edge in all manners, eating this food, standing on this road, almost run over by traffic. It's so exciting.